Hi everyone, just want to do a quick review on this cool dog bowl sets we just purchased. First off, my favorite part is they are angled, as you can see. They don't sit flat, they sit at an angle, which is great. So it's easier for our dog to collect their food, drink her water. A lot of them, most of them actually just sit straight down in there, so it could become a problem to get around the edges or anything when she's eating. So I really like that one. Second is it has like a tray. It almost comes with a tray. Most of them that we found that we've been using for a few years, they're just empty all around and just have maybe legs. So the food falls through, the water, it's a big cleanup. It becomes a big mess. So you have to constantly keep cleaning, underneath, it spills on the ground, things like that. So I really like it. The plastic, this is plastic, very durable. The bowl's very easy to clean. It's compact, it's not too big. As you could see, we have it kind of by a walkway, so it's kind of just tucked up under there, which is good. But I think you're going to get a lot of good use of. I think you're going to like the same things that I do. If you have the same issues with your pets, this could be also used for dogs, cats. I don't think there's any specific pet that can use it. It just depends, whatever, if it'll work for your situation.